Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're looking at a motorhome concept so outrageous, so futuristic, and so luxurious that it feels like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Imagine taking the aggressive styling, breathtaking performance, and exclusivity of a Lamborghini, and combining it with the comfort of a luxury penthouse. That vision becomes reality with the 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome, a remarkable concept that redefines what luxury travel can be. Inspired by the legendary design philosophy of Lamborghini, this extraordinary vehicle is designed for those who demand supercar excitement and five-star living in one unforgettable package. From the moment you see it, the exterior design leaves a lasting impression. The front fascia is unmistakably Lamborghini, featuring razor-sharp lines, dramatic air intakes, and ultra-thin Y-shaped LED headlights that create an aggressive and futuristic face. Every surface appears sculpted by the wind, giving the motorhome a surprisingly athletic appearance despite its enormous size. The side profile is unlike any traditional RV. Instead of a boxy silhouette, the 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome features a low, wedge-shaped design inspired by the brand's iconic supercars. Active aerodynamic panels automatically adjust to optimize airflow and stability at higher speeds. Massive forged alloy wheels, illuminated side skirts, and carbon fiber body elements further reinforce its exotic appearance. One of the most spectacular exterior features is the expandable lounge system. At the touch of a button, sections of the side walls extend outward to dramatically increase interior space. A retractable rooftop terrace emerges from the upper structure, creating an elevated luxury deck where passengers can relax, entertain guests, or enjoy breathtaking views. Integrated ambient lighting transforms the vehicle into a stunning centerpiece after sunset. Large smart glass windows stretch across the body, allowing passengers to enjoy panoramic views while instantly switching to privacy mode when desired. Hidden storage compartments and solar panel technology are seamlessly integrated into the design, ensuring practicality without compromising style. At the rear, the motorhome looks every bit as dramatic as a Lamborghini hypercar. Full-width LED taillights, an aggressive diffuser-inspired lower section, and illuminated branding create an unmistakable presence. The entire design feels more like a rolling superyacht than a conventional motorhome. Step inside, and the luxury reaches an entirely new level. The interior has been designed to feel like a modern penthouse suite, infused with Lamborghini's unmistakable character. Premium leather upholstery, Alcantara surfaces, forged carbon fiber accents, and handcrafted metal details create a rich and sophisticated environment. The main living area is spacious and remarkably futuristic. Plush lounge seating surrounds a massive transparent OLED display that disappears into the wall when not in use. A premium surround sound audio system delivers concert-quality sound, transforming the cabin into a private entertainment lounge. The lighting system is fully customizable, allowing passengers to create different moods throughout the day. Combined with the panoramic glass roof and smart glass side panels, the cabin feels open, bright, and connected to the outside world. The kitchen area showcases both elegance and functionality. Hidden behind sleek cabinetry are advanced appliances including an induction cooktop, luxury refrigerator, espresso machine, microwave oven, and intelligent storage systems. Premium stone countertops and illuminated shelving add a sense of exclusivity that rivals luxury residences. Moving toward the rear, the master suite becomes the highlight of the interior. A king-size floating bed sits at the center of the room, surrounded by ambient lighting and panoramic smart glass windows. Every detail has been carefully crafted to provide maximum comfort during extended travel. Climate-controlled seating, wireless charging stations, and personalized entertainment controls ensure passengers enjoy a truly first-class experience. The bathroom continues the theme of luxury living. Featuring a rainfall shower, illuminated mirrors, heated flooring, and premium fixtures, it feels more like a private spa than a motorhome bathroom. Advanced water filtration and recycling systems support extended off-grid travel while maintaining exceptional comfort. Performance is where this Lamborghini-inspired motorhome truly separates itself from anything else in the luxury RV market. The 2027 model is expected to feature an advanced hybrid electric powertrain capable of producing well over 1,000 horsepower. Multiple electric motors combined with a high-performance combustion engine deliver instant torque and remarkable acceleration. While no one expects a motorhome to behave like a supercar, this concept aims to provide an experience that feels dramatically more responsive than traditional luxury RVs. The intelligent all-wheel drive system continuously manages power delivery, ensuring stability and confidence in various driving conditions. The adaptive suspension system uses advanced sensors to monitor road surfaces and adjust damping in real time. This creates an exceptionally smooth ride while maintaining excellent control and handling. Whether cruising on highways or navigating mountain roads, passengers enjoy a refined and comfortable journey. Technology plays a major role in the driving experience. Semi-autonomous highway driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance systems, and a full 360-degree camera network provide confidence behind the wheel. Inside the cockpit, a futuristic curved digital display spans the dashboard, presenting navigation, performance data, energy management information, and entertainment controls. Voice command functionality allows passengers to control lighting, climate, seating, and multimedia systems effortlessly. Connectivity is equally impressive. High-speed satellite internet, onboard Wi-Fi, smart home integration, and remote vehicle management allow owners to stay connected from virtually anywhere in the world. The motorhome effectively becomes a luxury residence, mobile office, and entertainment center all in one. Now let's discuss pricing. As expected, exclusivity comes at a premium. Industry estimates suggest a starting price of approximately $3 million. Fully customized versions featuring bespoke materials, personalized layouts, and exclusive technology packages could easily exceed $5 million, placing this motorhome among the most expensive recreational vehicles ever imagined. The 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome represents an extraordinary vision of future luxury travel. It combines supercar-inspired design, cutting-edge technology, breathtaking performance, and world-class comfort into a single unforgettable vehicle. For those who believe luxury should have no limits and adventure should never require compromise, this remarkable motorhome proves that the future of travel can be every bit as exciting as the destination itself. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.